The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 marks an exciting chapter for Suzuki in the highly competitive 250cc motocross market. Suzuki has built a strong reputation for delivering bikes that offer a combination of reliability, performance, and affordability, and the RM-Z250 continues that tradition while introducing some key updates. This new model stays true to Suzuki's commitment to producing machines that cater to both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. It's a bike that promises not only to compete but to stand out in a segment dominated by well-established brands like Kawasaki and Honda. This year's RM-Z250 shows a blend of refinement and innovation, as it refines its engine, suspension, and overall design. The focus remains on enhancing its agility and handling, offering a bike that is nimble enough to navigate tight corners and rough terrain, yet powerful enough to handle open stretches of track. The Suzuki RM-Z250 has been engineered to feel stable and controlled, with a particular emphasis on keeping the bike lightweight and responsive, which is a significant benefit in motocross racing. Moreover, the 2025 version brings several upgrades that show Suzuki's attention to rider feedback. These changes aim to make the bike more suited to the demands of both amateur and pro riders. With a refined power delivery, a more adaptable suspension system, and increased focus on ergonomics, the RM-Z250 is definitely built to perform under a variety of track conditions. In a nutshell, the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 is more than just a minor update. It's a bike that aims to take the competition head-on while staying true to Suzuki's core principles of balance and performance. The next few points will explore these updates in greater detail, shedding light on the bike's full capabilities. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 stands out with its 249cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency for the 250cc motocross class. One of the key highlights of this bike is its smooth and consistent power delivery, which makes it ideal for both seasoned riders and those looking to step up their performance. The engine is designed to provide an immediate response, making it agile and quick off the line. It performs well throughout the power band, offering a strong mid-range punch, which is critical for tackling corners and powering out of turns on the track. Compared to its competitors, such as the Kawasaki KX250 and Honda CRF250R, the Suzuki RM-Z250 offers a refined and linear power output that doesn't overwhelm the rider. This is particularly beneficial in motocross situations where precision is key. Riders can focus more on control than on managing an overly aggressive engine. Additionally, the bike's fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response, contributing to greater consistency in performance, especially in varying track conditions. While it may not be the absolute powerhouse in terms of peak horsepower, the RM-Z250 compensates with its exceptional handling and cornering capabilities, enabled by the engine's smooth delivery. Suzuki has made sure that this engine doesn't just perform on raw numbers. It's tuned for track-ready precision and reliability, making it a go-to choice for many riders who appreciate a more controlled power delivery. The engine's reliability, combined with its lightweight frame, makes the 2025 RM-Z250 an attractive option for motocross enthusiasts looking for a well-rounded machine. Ultimately, its blend of power and control is what sets it apart in the highly competitive 250cc motocross field. The suspension system of the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 is a standout feature, offering significant improvements that enhance both stability and control. The bike is equipped with a Showa coil spring fork, which replaces the previous air fork design. This change delivers a more consistent and predictable feel, especially on rough, high-speed sections of the track. The coil spring fork provides better resistance to fading, which means it holds its performance over longer rides, maintaining the same level of comfort and control from the beginning to the end of a moto. At the rear, the RM-Z250 features a Showa rear shock, which has been carefully tuned to match the front suspension. This pairing ensures a balanced, well-coordinated setup that improves handling in a variety of terrain types. Whether it's tackling technical sections with deep ruts or charging through whoops, the suspension absorbs impact smoothly, allowing the rider to maintain optimal control. One of the most noticeable improvements is the overall handling. The suspension work allows the RM-Z250 to feel more stable in corners and more responsive on jumps. Riders will appreciate the bike's ability to stay composed when landing from big jumps or charging through bumps without feeling overly stiff or too soft. It strikes a good balance between responsiveness and comfort, enabling riders to push harder while maintaining confidence in the bike's ability to absorb shocks. The bike's handling is further enhanced by its low weight and compact design, which adds to its agility and maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for riders looking to refine their technique. Ultimately, the suspension system on the 2025 RM-Z250 contributes significantly to its all-around performance, making it a solid contender in its class. The ergonomics of the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 are designed to offer a balance of comfort and control, ensuring that riders can focus on performance rather than fatigue during long motos. The seat height remains relatively consistent with previous models, offering a comfortable position for riders of various sizes. It sits at a height that allows both shorter and taller riders to find a natural stance, which is crucial when navigating rough, unpredictable terrain. The footpeg positioning is optimized for improved rider control, allowing for better stability in corners and when transitioning between different track features. The handlebars have also been adjusted to give riders a more centered feel, allowing for precise control in tight situations. This makes the RM-Z250 feel more connected to the rider, especially when handling aggressive cornering or navigating technical sections of a motocross track. The bike's design ensures that weight distribution is evenly spread, which enhances stability and responsiveness, especially when the rider needs to make quick adjustments. In terms of comfort, the bike offers a seat that isn't overly soft, but it's supportive enough to prevent discomfort during longer riding sessions. This is particularly important on a bike like the RM-Z250, where racing demands extended periods of focus and endurance. The combination of seat, footpeg, and handlebar positioning creates a cohesive and comfortable riding experience that promotes rider confidence. Ultimately, the ergonomics of the 2025 RM-Z250 are refined to deliver a rider-focused experience. Whether you're a weekend racer or competing at a higher level, these adjustments ensure the bike feels natural, allowing for better overall performance and a smoother ride. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 brings a fresh take on its technology and features, aiming to enhance performance with a focus on rider control and adaptability. One of the key updates is the addition of Suzuki's fuel injection mapping system, which fine-tunes the engine's performance by adjusting the fuel mixture for different riding conditions. This system is designed to provide smoother throttle response, making the bike more predictable and easier to handle, especially in challenging track conditions. Another important feature is the Suzuki Holeshot Assist Control (S-HAC), which gives riders an edge off the start line. This system provides different settings, allowing riders to choose between more aggressive or controlled power delivery, depending on their preference and the track's surface. Whether it's a muddy day or dry, hard-packed dirt, this adaptability ensures the RM-Z250 performs optimally. The addition of traction control technology is also significant. This allows the RM-Z250 to maintain traction when conditions get slick or the track gets rough. The system works by adjusting power delivery to the rear wheel, preventing wheel spin when excessive throttle is applied. This gives riders more confidence, especially in unpredictable conditions, as they can focus on their riding technique without worrying as much about losing control due to a lack of grip. When combined, these technological upgrades make the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 a more versatile and rider-friendly machine. These features not only make it competitive but also elevate the riding experience, making it easier to handle in tough conditions and providing a boost in overall performance. For riders looking for advanced tech on a 250cc motocross bike, the 2025 RM-Z250 delivers with precision. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 brings a solid mix of reliability and performance to the table, marking a strong step forward in Suzuki's motocross lineup. Over the years, Suzuki has made incremental but meaningful improvements, and this model is no exception. The refined engine performance, coupled with an updated suspension system, shows that Suzuki is listening to the needs of both casual riders and more serious competitors. With the addition of features like the new mapping and traction control systems, the RM-Z250 positions itself as a versatile and capable contender in the 250cc class. These enhancements are particularly noticeable in maintaining stability and control, even when conditions get challenging, which is crucial for competitive racing. Ergonomically, the RM-Z250 offers a comfortable yet responsive riding experience, thanks to its thoughtfully designed chassis and rider positioning. The improved comfort can be a game-changer on long rides or during endurance races, where fatigue is often a deciding factor. The bike feels nimble on the track, and while it may not have the flashiest features, its ability to handle a variety of terrains with ease stands out. Suzuki has managed to strike a nice balance between offering power and precision without overwhelming the rider, making it an attractive choice for those who want a bike that is both fun and reliable. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 is a well-rounded motocross bike that caters to riders who prioritize control, comfort, and performance. While it may not lead the pack in every category, it certainly holds its own in terms of overall value and competitiveness. Whether you're a weekend warrior or aiming for a podium finish, the RM-Z250 is worth considering for anyone serious about motocross. Thanks for tuning into Acer Rider. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, motocross tips, and all things dirt bikes. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any bikes you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep your throttle open and ride safe.